Okay guys, so this is a new project we are working on right now. This car is a car that very hard to come by. I actually bought everything that was in America. I bought the dealer. It's called Crono. It's made in Italy and it's designed for actually Nitro engine. Now I did a conversion to electric and I'm gonna show you in the build how to do that, and you can do that to any other car. It don't have to be Crono. Just the quality of this thing is amazing. The dog bones and everything over here is just like kind of top of the line. It's really cool. I already put on it onward wheels and instead of the off-road knobbies. And now one thing that I want to show to start with is this thing. This is my new servo mounts, and I actually did those myself. I designed them. They are 3D printed and they have 3 prongs that you can actually drill and put it anywhere around the car that you want it. They look like this. It just looks like a small plastic box. It's weigh absolutely nothing and it's extremely strong, and you can set those up anywhere you want. And there is one actually with a servo inside of it. The servo slide, I made a hole for your wirings. Very easy. I'm just gonna show you real quick. It's hard to do 2 things at the same time. So you have the servo out. All you need to do is start with your wire. The wire is gonna go right here, and there is a place here for your servo, and that's it. The only thing left to do is to actually drill 4 holes, put some machine screws, and that's it. It's ready to go. And then this is gonna connect over there and you have some steering going. Now this is kind of step 1 of this build. I'm gonna go over and show everything I'm going to do on this car. Now what is the interesting part? You're gonna say, oh, it's another radio control car. No, this is gonna be very difficult. This part is a brake. This part is a brake. There's a disc brake right here for the rear differential. There's a disc brake right here for the front differential. When you do this, you can see both brake. I'm gonna have 2 different servos be able to lock the front or the rear differential, so I can do a burnout on the rear wheel or the front wheel. So I'm gonna be able to go as fast as I want, but at the same time I'm gonna have a performance car. This is first video. I'm gonna show you later how to hook up this system. It's pretty unique. This is gonna be a fast car, but for all those people that have comments already in the start typing, no, this is going to stay here. I do want the front differential because this is how I can control the front and rear brake. I will lose some speed because of it, but for the functionality of me being able to use disc brakes on the front and disc brake on the rear, this is very important. If I want to go a little bit faster, I'm gonna cancel all this, and what I'm gonna put instead is gonna be this specific part, motor mount with a direct drive. The direct drive will let me actually get full power front and back, and it will be a little bit faster. Next video I'm gonna show you the motor mount. Actually I'm going to CNC right now the motor mount and set it up right here. I'm gonna need to calculate the distance for the tools, how many tools I'm gonna want to have on my motor, what size motor. I'm gonna go with a 4-cell setup and maybe 6-cell, we'll see. I'm trying to design how to work with 2 small batteries, each one 3-cell, instead of going with a 2 huge 3-cell. Right now with the technology you can actually do that with drones battery. You're gonna take 2 small drone battery. Usually Venom battery are excellent. They have very high C rating, and you can just set up 3-cell here and another 3-cell there, and then you're gonna have a 6S setup. Or you can set up one big 4S here or one big 6S, and it's gonna make the car a little bit too heavy. We're gonna continue with this video. I hope that you will enjoy it. This is part 1. Follow us, RC Monster Garage. Please share those videos. It will help us make more video and teach you more cool stuff.